Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy on the dip as the market continues to take a tumble right now, and we're down about 6.91% just in the past 24 hours. We're seeing a lot of red in the crypto market. We're seeing a lot of red in the stock market, all over the place, a lot of red everywhere, pullbacks and opportunities obviously. So right here, if we take a look, we can see our top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Enzyme, which is up about 30.75%, trading at $180, so doing pretty well right there. Our highest volume, like usual, Bitcoin. Volume is through the roof, actually, but most of it is people selling off. So 47.4 billion volume right there. Ethereum at 30.5 billion. So it's actually picking up to where it was when we were seeing the bullish type situation just about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Now we're seeing it in the opposite, situation where we're seeing a sell off. So Bitcoin's trading at around this 42,000 area, down about almost 1%. Ethereum's down 4.2%, 420. It's down to about 2,800 right now. We see all these other altcoins are down about 2% or so as well. Some a little bit less, some a little bit more, with some outliers in the green as well. So we're seeing all kinds of different things in the market with potential pullbacks right now. So, what is going to happen in the upcoming, days and the rest of the month? We really don't know what's going to happen. There's a lot of fear going on right now with the whole China situation going on and everything else with it. So we're going to have to wait and see. But Bitcoin is taking a pullback right now. So for anybody that missed out or felt like they missed out when we were at the highs, these are great opportunities, obviously, for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many other altcoins. So let's get into it, guys. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 43,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description for that as well. So let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be a green one. It's going to be Avalanche. So AVAX. We've talked about this one in the past. And right now, we're actually seeing it up, in the green compared to the rest of the market, which is a good thing. This was a momentum play that we were looking at a few weeks ago, and it seems to be doing very well even at these, points that we're at right now. So this one is up about 9.71%, trading at $63.57. We even hit highs here of $66 at one point. On the 1 week chart, we're up 23% or so, with highs of about $77 almost up here at one point on September 19th. So about 2 or 3 days ago, we hit that high, and now we're a little bit of a pullback here with more consolidation. Now, on the 1 month chart, this coin is obviously doing very well, 45% on the upside from lows down here when we saw that first flash crash type situation at $32. We went up over 100% at that point from the low to the high here just in a matter of about a week or two. So that's awesome right there for Avalanche holders. Now on the 1 year chart, this coin is up over 1,116%. It's been booming. I mean, last year this coin was trading at around $4, almost $5 or so. We went to highs here in February at $55. Pulled back down. We consolidated here while the rest of the crypto market was booming actually in March, April, and May. So consolidated between the $20 and $30 range. Then we saw the whole crypto market sell off. Obviously, we saw it go all the way down here to lows of about right under $10 in July. And then from this $10 area, right now we're up over 500% from the lows to the highs. So that is a massive gain right there in a matter of about a month and a half. So even with this pullback that we've been seeing this week in the market, this coin is still up over 500% just in the past month or so. So performing very, very well, and that's something we like to see. So if we take a look here right now, actually the market cap for Avalanche is at around 13 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2.6 billion, and then the circulating supply is around 220.3 million. This one definitely a momentum play, and one that we're going to be keeping a close eye out on for opportunities to buy on the dip and potentially ride it on higher. We'll see if Avalanche is going to continue to go higher. Do we think it could possibly trade at $100 per coin? It's very possible, especially if we see a bull run in the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're going to have to watch the market very closely and see if we see a turnaround, as right now it looks like we're seeing a sell-off, and it could be a little of a bearish sign for us right now. But we'll keep a close eye and see if there's an opportunity. Definitely an altcoin to watch on your radar right now for a momentum play in situations like this. So Avalanche at our number 1 spot. Number 2 spot is going to be Theta. So Theta right now is trading at $5.23. It is up about 3% or so. It actually hit highs of $5.62, 64 cents. In the past week, it's actually down 19% from highs of about $7 all the way down here to lows of about $4.50 almost. So, it has taken a huge pullback. In the past month, it's down 27%. here during that previous flash crash that we saw a few weeks ago, we saw it go from 9.75 all the way down to lows of about $6 or so. Big pullback right there of about 40 to 50%. We continue to go lower and lower, so a little bit more of a sell-off. But in the past year, this coin is booming up over 860% as it was trading at around 50 cents last September. Here we saw highs in April. I mean, this coin was booming from pretty much February all the way through April, and that's when we peaked at around $16 almost. Ever since then, we continue to go lower and lower to about $3.60 here in July, and then from that $3 area all the way to highs of $9. That's over about 150, close to 200%, gains that were, made in about a few weeks. So amazing gains. This one's still very far away from its all-time high, but it's still trading very nicely. We see a support level kind of here around this, $5 to $6 range that we're at right now. So we're hoping that it doesn't go below this previous low, because if that happens, we could continue to see it go down all the way to under $3 before hitting the next support level. So market cap right now on Theta is at around 5.1 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 530.7 million, and then the circulating supply is 1 billion Theta coins. Now this one, a little bit of a lower market cap at 5 billion right there, so plenty of potential in the future. And it could, just to get back to the all-time highs that it was trading at previously, we will be trading at around a 15 billion market cap, or around $15 to $20 per coin. So definitely one to be watching to see, for potential dip buying opportunities. So Theta is going to be our second altcoin. And then last but not least, at the number 3 spot is going to be Elrond, EGLD. So this one booming just like Avalanche. It is actually up about 14.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $212. On the 1 week chart, we're down about 25% from highs of 284 all the way down here to lows of 172. So over $100 loss right there that we saw in about a week. Now on the 1 month chart, we're still booming, 42% on the upside. From we were trading around this 120, 130 area, boomed all the way higher and higher, all the way, like we said, to $302. So over 100% gain right there in a matter of about 3 weeks. And then obviously now we see a little bit of a pullback with some momentum plays. So there's always opportunities right there as long as you can find them and look for them. So in the past year, this coin is up 2,331% as it was trading at $10 last year. We saw the first boom here January into February, just like with Avalanche, pretty similar, pattern. Hit highs, pulled back down, consolidated, but this one actually made a new high here in April with the rest of the crypto market, unlike Avalanche where it just kind of consolidated right there. So Elrond hit a new high here of 239. Then we saw it continue lower and lower as the market continued to go lower. We hit lows of about right under $60, and then from that $60 level all the way to highs of about 300. So that's about a 400 to 500%, gain that we saw in a matter of about 2 months or so. So 500% gain in 2 months. I would take that right now. That means $1,000 invested. That's $5,000 profit. That's insane to think about in about a month or two. Pretty decent gains. So right now market cap on Elrond, Elrond is right now 3.8 billion. So another lower market cap, and that's exactly what helped it push up higher, because it was such a low market cap that it was a lot easier for it to push on higher. So it was trading at about a billion market cap or so, maybe a little bit less here in July. So that market cap, pushed very quickly as long as the volume was there. So volume are almost at 500 million right there. Circulating supply, 19.5 million coins. So definitely want to be adding as well for another momentum type situation, especially if we see a bounce here off of this, 150, 170 area. So we're going to be keeping a very close eye out on Elrond as well to see how it's going to perform, and see if any of these 3 altcoins could potentially have some opportunities like we are thinking they might have. So you guys let me know in the comments below, actually, do you think that any of these 3 altcoins are potentially, opportunities or not? And are you trading any of them as well? Now let's take a quick look and see how the rest of the market is performing. First, we'll take a look at Doge, the meme coin, guys. So it hit lows down here of about 20 cents at one point. In the past week, it's down over 14%. Past month, 34%, almost 35% from highs of 33 cents all the way to 21 cents. Here on the 1 year chart, we're up 7,600%. It was at 16 cents, went to 34, and now we're pulling back down. I mean, we're only about 4 or 5 cents from the, low. So if we continue to go lower, just imagine what's going to happen if we were to start being bearish and the crypto market, crashed. Doge is going down very, very quickly. I wouldn't be surprised to even see it under 10 cents if that was to happen. So Dogecoin holders better be careful. And the Dogecoin millionaire, he's not even a millionaire anymore, I don't think, but he should have sold a long time ago, but he just doesn't seem to listen. We've talked about him in the past on our videos, and you guys already know my viewpoint on his situation. I would have sold a long time ago and paid those taxes instead of holding and losing all the gains that he pretty much made very quickly. He could be living life lavishly, but instead he might be going back to the ramen, guys. So, Dogecoin not doing well. Bitcoin almost down about 0.73%, almost 1%, trading at 42,000. It was a little bit higher on the day. Hit lows down here of 39,000 at one point. In the past week, we're down 10% now. In the past month, 13% with those highs at 52,000, almost 53,000. Those were some nice areas that we were trading at. We're down $10,000 since then. On the 1-year chart, we're up 316% from 29K to 52K, and now we're back down to 42K. But if we take a look from the low, obviously, we're still up. We're still green, so great, great for any long-term holders. Market cap 762.1 billion, 86 typical day hold time, 77% buy, 23% sell right now. Ethereum's down a lot more compared to Bitcoin. It's down about 4.2%, which is extreme, obviously, for us. So it's down to about $2,800 right now from highs that we saw at around $3,100 at one point. We even hit lows of $2,600 at one point, which is just insane. The way crypto fluctuates, I mean, it's insane. Crypto can go down 10, 15, 20% in a matter of a few hours or, days. Compared to the stock market, it would take a lot more for the stock market to do this type of momentum or movement. In the past month, we're down 11%. Hitting those highs of 4,000 and then lows of 2,600, that's a huge, pullback down very quickly. So crypto is always a high risk, high reward type situation. That's something we always talk about on the channel, You got to understand the risk that you're getting into when you're investing in crypto. So right now, market cap 325.1 billion, 82-day typical hold time, 75% buy, 25% sell. What do we think about this? Well, it could be a buying opportunity, but we think that Ethereum could potentially continue to go down a little bit lower before we see uptrend. But you never know. We might see a bearish movement and continue to fall back down. But that's definitely going to be a buying opportunity in the future as well. So definitely something to look forward to, guys. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so guys, please speak to your financial advisor before investing into the crypto market or the stock market. This is all for entertainment purposes only. As always, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links can be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.